Hi, this is Cindi McGee for CreateAlong.com. Today I'm using items from the Hello Sunshine Create Along box to create a sunrise themed polymer trading coin. I'm starting with a sheet of orange Primo that I rolled to a number 2 on the clay machine, and I'm using the gold interference paint that came in my box. I wanted to apply just a very light coat over that orange sheet. I don't want to lose that color beneath. I just want that shimmer that the interference paint will give when it dries. While the orange painted clay is drying, I rolled a sheet of the cadmium yellow hue Primo, and I wanted to use a cutter that was about the same size as the sun stamp that came in the box, and I cut a disc from that rolled clay. I added a light coat of the yellow color fuse that came in the box. Now that that interference paint is fully dry, I wanted to silkscreen over that sheet, and I'm using the Sunburst silkscreen that came in the box. I used a gold metallic paint to silkscreen the sunbursts onto the sheet of clay. I went ahead and let that dry for a minute or two while I proceeded to the next step. I wanted to use the sun rubber stamp that came in the Create Along box to stamp the yellow disc with the color fuse on it, and I'm using a permanent setting red ink for that. I placed the ink pad itself over that stamp and gave it a little pressure because I also wanted to transfer the texture from the stamp into that disc. I used the 2.5-inch trading coin sized clay cutter from Create Along to cut a disc from the silk screened clay for the base of the piece. One of my favorite go-to embellishments are the Hot Fix cabochons from CreateAlong.com. They come in all different colors and some different shapes, and you just place them on your piece and they heat set right where you've placed them. I wanted to add some golden yellow ones around the outer edge of the stamped sun. The last step before baking was to add some of the color fuse around the outer edge of the base disc. To do that, I used my fingertip to add some Bacon Bond around that outer edge, and then just added just a touch of that color fuse. And now it's time to bake it according to the manufacturer's instructions. And here it is after baking. It's got that great bit of sparkle on the outer edge that matches the sparkle from the color fuse on the sun image. This would be a great polymer trading coin, or you can add a bail and make a really fun pendant for summertime. I hope you enjoyed this project made with products from the Hello Sunshine Create Along box. Join me next time for another unique project using a great assortment of tools and products from CreateAlong.com.